Now, the WGAL News 8 Storm Team Forecast with meteorologist Matt Moore.
Some impressive rainfall, especially earlier this morning in some Susquehanna Valley locations, in particular around Lancaster County, picking up over an inch of rain. Lidditz topping the board here with just a little bit more than an inch and a quarter of that rain. Most of that falling last night, so a little bit more of that this morning. Mechanicsburg about 3/4 of an inch or so. New Franklin and Franklin County about a ½ inch and a little bit more than a quarter inch. But the amounts dropped off quickly as you head up into Lebanon County. Very little, less than a 1/10 of an inch of rain overall. Now most of the rain, it's out of here. In fact, it's moving away from us, but we are continuing to watch for what will probably be a couple of showers and storms developing here this afternoon. Right now, as we look to the Harrisburg Skycam, there's some sunshine finally reaching the ground here and there, some blue sky, but still a lot of clouds too. 80 degrees with the temperatures, and the dew points are still kind of muggy in the upper 60s, so that heat index or feels like temperature is a few degrees above what the actual air temperature shows. So the radar does have some of those heavier downpours, even a few thunderstorms now moving across New Jersey and getting ready to head out into open ocean waters. What we are keeping an eye on is a cold front that's sitting right around Interstate 80 right now, and that's going to drop to the south and closer to us as we go throughout the day. Already seeing some clearing out taking place on the Viz picture on the satellite, but we'll be adding some instability with that sunshine now reaching the ground. Temps in the upper 70s, low 80s, dew points are high, so the combination of those two things is going to lead to more of that instability as I was talking about, and probably some showers and thunderstorms developing as we go throughout the rest of this afternoon. It looks like the highs 82 to 86, but it will be humid under partly sunny skies, and again the chance of some of those storms developing this afternoon. Tough to say exactly where they'll be. They'll be right along that front and then sweeping through later this afternoon and into this evening. Now tonight just mainly cloudy and muggy too. Lows in the upper 60s, and tomorrow we'll keep the humidity around. In fact, a few afternoon showers, thunderstorms not out of the question here, and partly sunny skies. Highs maybe a notch or two cooler down around the low 80s, but still with the humidity around, it will feel summer-like. Currently those dew points, they're pretty sultry as you go farther south of us. Right now we're sort of on that dividing line. Some comfortable air sitting up into New England, and that's going to try and temporarily drive in as this cold front sags a little bit farther south, and eventually it will cross through here in the Susquehanna Valley, but not until later on this evening and tonight. And we'll get a temporary break from the high humidity we've got now, but still going to be talking about the storm chances ahead of it. So again, here's what we're talking about: the popcorn hit or miss type of showers and thunderstorms this afternoon, this evening, and then a lot of that activity just winds down as we lose the sun later on. Still mostly cloudy though overnight, and predictor indicates possibly some drizzle in some of those patchy areas of fog and clouds. I wouldn't rule that out, and that'll take us into the day tomorrow with again the chance of a few of those showers and storms developing. Looks like they'll fire out to our west on the high terrain, and then they'll drift their way towards us, so we'll have to watch those into tomorrow. But again, no real big focus for storms. It's just one of those hit or miss type of situations the next couple of days. And really going over the next week, it's where our humidity is going to stay at, in that muggy, even steamy range. Looks like the worst of the humidity and the heat combined will likely be heading into this weekend, where temperatures will likely climb to near 90 degrees. So again, a few showers and thunderstorms this afternoon, tomorrow afternoon. Friday looks like a dry day, but still humid. Then we warm things up into the weekend and could be looking at that 90 on Sunday with possibly an isolated storm chance. And then again, as we head into Monday with more storm chances. So a nice summer-like 7-day forecast. We didn't get the nice comfortable weather we had last weekend, but in the next 7 days, humidity will definitely be something we talk about every single one of those days.
Okay.
It is August though.
Not
so
done with those 90s yet.
No,
right?
I don't think so.
All right. Thanks, Matt.